So what do plants need to grow, Dania?
Water, air and sunshine.
And would you like to help give the wattle seeds some air, water and sunshine?
Yes.
Do you like doing science in class?
Yeah.
Would you be interested in doing a science experiment around these wattle seeds from space?
Yeah.
Why would you be interested in this?
Because I like space.
Once the seeds have grown, as well as planting the saplings in our school, we'd also love to plant some of the saplings in the amazing Belair National Park we have next door. In fact, when we were younger, we came to this park to plant 60 saplings and help out the bandicoots. So do you reckon the seeds from space are going to grow or not?
No.
Why not?
Because space doesn't let anything breathe, so then they'll crack.
Do you reckon the wattle seeds are going to grow or not?
No.
Why not?
Because space might kill the seeds.
And why would space kill the seeds?
Because there's no air and no water.
So, do you reckon the wattle seeds from space are going to grow better or worse than the other ones?
Well, they're probably going to be worse because there's not enough things in space to keep it alive.
We filled in the questions, materials, method and prediction. We hope to fill in the results and discussion soon.